In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can blend two images together and create this beautiful effect using Canva. To start, you will need two images. So I selected these two here. You can upload your images by clicking on Upload, or you can search for different images within the Canva library when you go to Elements, okay? Now, having these two images, to make sure that this works throughout the images, just choose images with the same size, okay? Not exactly the same size, but if they are horizontal or vertical, just keep them in the same direction. This will make things easier for you by blending them, okay? Now we are going to apps and we are searching for an app called Blend Image. It is for free, so you don't need Canva Pro to use this, and it's super simple to use. From this window that just opened, here you can also upload your images directly from here, but I prefer to have them on my design and select them from here, okay? So just click on the image and use selected image. I choose this one first because I want this to be the foreground and this to be blended more in the background, okay? Then select the other image, use selected image, and you can already see in this preview how this looks nice. But here's the thing, we can choose different blending modes, okay? This is overlay, this is one of my favorites, but you can go ahead and test different ones. A different one that I like is lighten. You see how delicate it is? So just feel free to test. For this particular image, I'll use overlay and add to design. Then you have a completely new image that is a blend between these two. Now I'm going to show you some different examples of what kind of images will also work fine with that blending. So if you have an image of the same woman, this is very editorial. So for Instagram posts, Pinterest, for any special design that you're preparing, you can take a portrait of the same person and a different angle of that person and blend them. I think this makes the image super interesting. Another different case is when you use person and nature blending together, or person and city. This could be a poster, right? This has some nice touch to it. And here again with the city and different lights, you can be very creative with the help of this app and blend images within seconds here. So I hope this was very useful for you. And let me know in the comments if you tried it out and how it went for you. If you like this video, don't forget to follow for more Canva tutorials like this and aesthetic design tips. See you in the next video.